Baselinker has enormous possibilities when it comes to adding further integrations. In one simple control panel, you can manage many shops, wholesalers, marketplace accounts, as well as many courier companies. In fact, all of the tools you need to manage your e-commerce are collated in one place. To add a new integration and see currently active ones, you need to go to the Integrations tab. To add a new integration, choose Add Integration. They are divided into several subgroups. We have the marketplaces, shops, couriers, ERP systems, fulfillment centers, accounting, printouts, sending out text to clients, other additional applications, and wholesale integrations. You can type the name of an integration into the search bar to quickly find what you're looking for. Let's start with the marketplace integrations. These are added in several ways. To add an eBay account, for example, you simply log into your account, and that's it. You confirm access to the account, and that's all you need to do to link it. In the case of other marketplace accounts like eMag, you have to provide your login and password directly in the Baselinker panel. This looks a little different when it comes to shops. If you're adding an e-commerce shop, then you need to provide the following information: an API token, the secret API key, as well as the shop's full web address. You can get these details from the administrator of your eShop. The display name is a chosen name that you can insert here. In case of other shops, Shop Gold, for example, you have to insert the so-called data exchange file. In some integration panels, you'll see additional instructions on how to obtain the required information directly on the eStore site, and what you need to do before you can add the integration to the Baselinker system. The next integration section is the couriers. Here we have two types of integration: a direct integration with a courier company, like InPost, or the so-called brokers, which are companies that provide various, different courier services from many providers under one banner. Baselinker Package is one of such brokers, which allows you to post many types of packages through various providers from one place, one control panel. When it comes to the ERP integrations, the ones available here are just for your information, because here at Baselinker, we don't directly configure the ERP integrations. There is a separate external software for this, the so-called integrator, in which you set up everything that needs to be set up for the integration to work properly. We'll talk more about ERP systems later on in another lesson. Then we have the fulfillment and accounting integrations. So if you want to pass on your invoices and receipts generated in Baselinker to one of these integrations, you can add it if through here. Then integrations that print out paperwork. And let me remind you that the complementary Baselinker printer integration is able to print out fiscal receipts alongside all of the other regular paperwork. Then we have the SMS integrations. Here, just like with the courier integrations, you need to have a contract signed directly with a courier or with a company that provides SMS services to be able to add such integration and use its services. Then we have the other applications. We'll talk about Baselinker Caller a little later. Baselinker Connect will also be delved into deeper, as well as Responso. We also have here the communicator tools Slack, Post, and DeepL, an integration for translations. We already have a built-in AI translator, but you can choose to use this integration instead. The last section is the wholesalers. When it comes to wholesalers, we need to pay attention to two things. If we can see a chain link icon next to a wholesaler, it means this integration uses Baselinker Connect. If we can see a car icon, it means we can direct any orders that come through to Baselinker straight to said wholesaler. If there is no such icon, it means we need to make a separate order at said wholesaler ourselves. Log in, click Buy, and then potentially add the order number to our Baselinker system. We can also add the shipment number if the wholesaler handles shipping directly.